All right, welcome. If you're here, you're ready to take that next essential step on your English for technology journey. We're going to move past the basics and into the language skills that will really shape your career. So, let's dive right in.
First things first, a huge congratulations. You made it through the beginner's course, and you should be really proud of that foundation you've built. But you already know that in tech, there is always a next level. And this new certification, well, that's your next step, and it's waiting for you. And this brings us to a really important question. You're getting deeper into Python, you're starting to explore AI, building way more sophisticated projects, your technical skills are growing like crazy, but is your ability to actually talk about your work keeping up? And that, right there, is exactly what we need to talk about. It's time to move beyond just basic communication, because in the tech world, how you explain what you do is often just as critical as the work itself. I mean, just think about it for a second. When you're in the weeds, trying to discuss a complex algorithm or collaborate on a massive software project, simple phrases just aren't going to cut it. You need a richer, more precise way to talk about all the technical details and your big ideas. And this is where it gets real. In today's tech world, English isn't just some nice-to-have skill, right? It's basically the operating system for everything you do, your daily stand-ups, your debugging reports, the tech docs that make your project even usable. It is, quite literally, the language of innovation. Look, those basic sentence structures got you this far, and that's awesome. But they have a ceiling. To really succeed and stand out in a professional tech environment, your communication skills absolutely need an upgrade. And that is exactly what this intermediate course is. It's your tech-focused upgrade. This isn't just some random English course. It's built from the ground up for the specific challenges you face in the tech world every single day. The best way to think about this course is like a bridge. You see, on one side, you've got your basic grammar, and way over on the other side is confident, fluent communication in a high-level tech setting. This is the bridge that gets you from here to there. So how do we do it? Well, it all starts by making that foundation even stronger. We're going to revisit and expand on core grammar, but this time, everything has a very specific tech-focused lens on it. Then, and this part is so crucial, you are going to immediately take those grammar structures and apply them in realistic tech situations. We're talking about examples tied directly to the Python projects and software tasks you're already working on at pythonplayground.org. This is not abstract theory. It's practical, hands-on stuff. And what's the whole point of all this? Real-world confidence. It's that feeling of being able to speak up in a team meeting, to write a crystal-clear bug report, or to explain a complex idea without even hesitating. That's the result we're going for. Okay, so what are you actually going to be learning? Let's peel back the curtain a little bit and take a look inside the course to see the specific tools you're going to add to your communication toolkit. Now, this is just a quick snapshot, but check out how relevant this is. For example, mastering the passive voice. That's the difference between saying, I deployed the update, and the more professional, the update was deployed. That's absolutely critical for technical reports. Every single topic here was chosen because it solves a real communication problem that you will face. So you see, learning these grammar points isn't just some academic exercise. It's about building tangible skills that are going to have a direct impact on your future and your career in tech. And you'll see how it all connects. It's a step-by-step journey. It starts with the fundamentals, like writing clearer code comments. From there, you build up to explaining complex processes, then asking smarter questions, and finally, you'll be ready to excel in the kind of global, collaborative teams that define the tech industry today. Every step builds on the one before it. When you boil it all down, this whole course is about growing two things at the same time, your English fluency and your technology confidence. Because, let's be honest, in the tech world, those two things go hand in hand. So, it all comes down to this. The final question is for you. You've already proven that you can master the basics. The next level of your career is calling, and it requires the next level of communication. Are you ready to build your future?